Using the park assist system inside of the Ford Expedition is a very straightforward process. So this thing does have park assist. All you're going to do is start off by hitting the little P button down the center stack there. When you do, on the Sync 4 screen, you can see there it's got parking assistance with a few different options. So you've got either parallel park, perpendicular park, or parallel park out. And on all of them, you can also see, you can look on the left side or the right side. So you could use the stick there in order to go left versus right side. So I'm going to take you through the process of how it works. So all you're going to do, follow the directions on screen. So you're going to be driving forward, and the vehicle is actively going to be looking for a space for us. Perfect, so it's found it. And then from here, all you have to do, so you're following the instructions, you're going to have to release the steering wheel, shift the vehicle into neutral, and then you're going to, as much as you probably don't want to, take your foot off the gas and the brake. You can still work the brake if you're feeling uncomfortable, but all you have to do, press and hold the little P button there. And when you do, vehicle is doing all the work for you. Honestly, the first couple times that you use this system, you're probably going to be freaking out. You might want to ride the brake, but the vehicle is smart, backing us up beautifully. Look at that. Didn't take out the ram, which is important, but you can see there, it's backing you up nicely. Now it's a little bit easier because there's nobody behind me, but regardless, it's going to find us like more than enough space. So if there was a vehicle kind of parked along the side there, you can see that there are a few different vehicles there. But if there wasn't space, it wouldn't give us the option to use it. But see there, it's pulling forward a little bit, and park assist for parallel is finished. So that's straightforward to do it. And then if you wanted to go parallel park out, same idea. You can look on the left or the right side. So we're not going to go to the right side. We want to go to the left. So all you're going to do, same idea. Shift yourself into neutral. And then you're going to take your foot off the brake, off the accelerator, press and hold the little P button. And what it's doing is it's backing you up to create enough space for you to be able to crank the wheel out. So again, there's nobody behind me, so it makes it a little bit easier. But in a second, you're going to see the wheel spin. And what it's done is it's backed me up, and all I have to do now is shift in order to cancel out of park assist. So from there, I'm already cranked as far over as I need to be, so I can just start driving. You can see there, parallel park out is complete. Now next up is going to be a perpendicular park. And I mean, obviously with a vehicle this big, having a perpendicular park is very, very useful. So let's go through Formula Ford here in Pickering. If you're after a Ford Lincoln, you definitely want to chat with them. But let's drive through, see where we've got a perpendicular spot. Ooh, might be one down here, actually. That is maybe full of Mustangs. All right, here, let's try this. I love these warning systems. Somebody letting us know it's the cross traffic alert system. So there was somebody in behind me there. So the vehicle was like, yeah, don't keep on going. Don't want to be in an accident today. Love the safety system. All right, so let's just, nice and easy spot in the front of the dealership here. So you can see there's a few open spots. So in order to use it, same idea, you're going to press the little P button first. I want to go perpendicular parking this time. And I am checking on the right-hand side. So all I have to do, perfect, and it has found a spot. So I'm going to stop, drive forward. I went past the other spot. There we go, perfect. All right, same idea. You're going to shift yourself into neutral, foot off the gas and the brake, press and hold P. Before I do, see there's a truck coming, so I'm just going to hold off for a second before I go. Useful. Then, now that it's safe, I'm going to do press and hold. You can see there in the side view mirror, like it honestly, it feels like it's getting a little bit close, but vehicle's got you covered there. I wonder what spot it's going to try to take for me here. So it's kind of like ride in two spots. It's going to be that guy. It's just going to park in like 3 spots for me. Okay, yeah, no, it's going to take that spot. That makes sense. Okay. I wasn't sure if it was just going to like boss park in like 3 different spots or not. Ooh, look at that. So it's getting a teeny bit close, but it canceled it. It's backing up. You can see there's a little countdown timer along the very top there. So it's going to let you know how fast it's going to be before the next kind of phase of the process is done. Backing up beautifully though, like that. And all I'm doing is just pressing and holding the P button, and Park Assist is done. So it really is that simple using Park Assist in the Expedition.